Hey everyone! Welcome to the very first video of the Excel tutorial series for beginners. I'm Nima, and I'll be guiding you through Excel from scratch step by step until you become a pro. Along the way, I'll also share some cool Excel tricks in short videos to make the journey more fun and interesting. Now, let's start by getting to know the Excel interface, what it looks like, and how it works. When you first open Excel, you'll see a blank sheet with a bunch of grid lines. This is called a sheet or a worksheet. The sheet is made up of cells, which are small boxes where you can enter numbers, text, or formulas. Rows are labeled with numbers on the left, and columns are labeled with letters at the top, although in some newer versions, columns may show as numbers too. For example, the top left cell would be called A1, that's column A and row 1. Above the sheet, there's a toolbar, or ribbon, that contains all the important commands. You can change fonts, background colors, sort data, and so on. This toolbar has tons of tools, and we'll cover them as we go. To create a new file, just click on the File menu at the top, then choose New. You can use a ready-made template, or just click on Blank Workbook to start fresh. Once you've made a file, you'll want to save it so your data doesn't get lost. To save, go to the File menu again and choose Save As. Pick a location, give your file a name, and save it. Next time, you can just hit Save, or better yet, use the shortcut Ctrl+S to save quickly. If you already have a file and want to open it, click File Open and select your file from your computer. Excel even shows a list of recent files to help you get back to your work faster. Now, let's go over a few key tips that are super useful for your daily tasks. Don't worry, they're really simple. Tip 1. Click the row number on the left to select an entire row. Tip 2. Click the column letter at the top to select the whole column. Tip 3. To write in a cell, just click on it once. But if you want to edit what's already inside, double-click on the cell. Tip 4. To select multiple individual cells, hold down the Ctrl key and click them one by one. If you want to select a range between two cells, hold Shift and click from the first to the last cell in the range. Excel has a ton of features and shortcuts, but for now, these basics are enough to get you started. I hope this video was helpful. If you've got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next parts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.